back with another video. Did you know that we are now offering YouTube content creator coaching? So if you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, get into monetization, want to know how I have grown, I have two YouTube channels, Eats and Travels and TJInspires. Me and Damon Alvarez, who is an author, also has a YouTube channel called Silverman 504. We are hosting a YouTube content creator class. And the class now can be scheduled individually, and we will be tailoring the class to you. We'll tell you about our secrets and some hacks to grow and maintain your YouTube channel. I heard today that someone was trying to charge someone $4,000. So I'm not going to show everything on here, but yes, this is my YouTube back studio office. So again, we are hosting individual classes, so that way we will coach you on how to get to this step right here, which is the earn button. This is where you want to get to. This is where you want to become part of the YouTube partner program. And this is when you'll know when you want to get paid, getting paid. Great job. You completed your payment setup. So that is a milestone. And again, like watch ads, share feeds, memberships, super gifts. That's where you want to get to on YouTube. So if you want to gain how to get to this earn on YouTube, please, the classes are $25, and so that is going to go up. So please make sure you lock. And so this is what we'll be talking about in the classes. What is a watch pay ad? What is a short feed ad? Memberships. How to actually grow your watch hours, because there are two things that you need to grow and to get on YouTube. One, you need to have a certain amount of watch hours, and then you got to have the followers. So the followers are not, your subscribers are not that hard to get. It's the watch hours and retaining your followers. So if you want to know some tips and tools, the classes are $25. That's going to be going up. So you want to lock in why that price is that, because they will go up as the class grows popular. Again, you want to get to that earn button. This is the second page of this is our second YouTube channel, Eats and Travels, the content analytics. So you want to be able to study your analytics.